in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Razr 2022. In this video I'll show you how to add passes to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet, tap Add to Wallet, and focus on Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's select Transit Pass, and if you are able to find your Transit Pass selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select Loyalty Card, select card, now you can scan it or enter details manually. Tap Add to Wallet and it's done. In the end, you can select Gift Card, which is pretty similar to Loyalty Card, because you have to select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear on the homepage of this app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.